Dear students, welcome to the classroom. Let's learn how to write the letter N. Capital N. Start from the top and draw a standing line down. Go back to the top and make a slanting line down to the right. Now draw one more standing line to the bottom. Small n. Start from the middle to make a standing line to the bottom. Go to the middle and make a curve reaching the bottom. Now you know how to write the letter N, so try to write it properly.